guys! So, today we're going on a hunt. Merong food show today. So, every year merong ganito. And then every year pumunta din kami. So, it's our 4th time going. And then we're going there na. Kaya lang, medyo cloudy today.
Ano po yun?
My husband is driving. Kasan yan? Kasan yun, be?
Oh, tumama kayo.
Wala pa eh.
Nanalo kami. $15. We won $15 in the lotto yesterday.
Minimum 1,500.
Plus 4 bonus line. And sa strike ay 2 bonus line. Improving. So, wala na 40 million. Hindi na ulit tatayan. Dito na kami. And we're too early. It opened 10 a.m. and it's just 9:17. But welcome to Showground! It's on 9:17 lang. It's raining. And there's heaps of car parking. Baka mamaya ano na siya. Magpuno na. Let's go. Lock mo ayos ah. And then check the car. Daddy, nasa likod mo. So, nakapila na kami. 9:30 pa daw sila magpapapasok. Sawa ko, ayun na. Medyo may mga nakapila na din. Kaya lang, konti lang. Kunti pa lang. Siguro later.
We got it on special. $3 for 2 for 10.
Thank you. Hi. So, nakakain na kami ng marami. Pero meron pa din sa kabila. We're gonna try more. This one is like the number 1. Hi. Hello.
Try. We have vitamin C and zero sugar series. This is blackcurrant, vitamin C.
Oh. Thank you. Uy, wow. Ang sarap lang. So good.
No sugar, less than 5%. Yeah, we are doing a promo 3 for $5, or you can do a mix and match for 1 carton at home.
Oh.
We have milk.
Thank you.
谢谢。
今晚吃饭哦，记得。
好好好。
So this is the pasta. Pasubo ako. Yeah. Para may paglambot. Lambot. Ano meron dyan? Wow, it's just vegetable. So far, marami namang mga free days dito. Yes! Peanut butter. You cannot see. We're too small and short. And too many people. I love matcha. Where's my husband? Hello.
Would you like to try one of the flavors today?
Yeah. Can I try the matcha vanilla? Yeah. Thank you so much. Parang ano? Buka?
Peanut butter, peanut chocolate.
Mahal.
Kala ko siya parang
Mahal? Ayoko sa kanila yung ano, yung may mga nuts kasi. Ang sarap ng lab. Lab. Yung may parang busa. Yan lang. Hindi naman sila nasa lisa-lisa ganito. At to kalaban nila nung sa Otto QP. Tikim tayo ng mayonnaise. Ayan.
Do you want to try different flavor?
Oh my god.
it's like a sweet soy kind of thing. So good morning. Try them all. Frozen rice pudding. Inside the package is a little pouch like this.
So, rice burger. It's so good. Ha? Sarap na. Press lang yan. Oo. Tuwa ka? Ano?
Curry, lemon, and tuna mayo.
Oh, sorry. Going crazy. Sarap na? You can try. You can buy. Teka lang.
Yeah, you can't import real meat.
Sige na, Mayor.
Well, I guess if you find that a positive, then yeah, that's a positive. The other flavors are based off tuna.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so that's curry and tuna, and tuna and mayo.
Try give me one of those tuna ones, huh?
That's the one on the very far right.
We're gonna try it. We're gonna try to buy.
One spoon. Ah, already. Quite keen on
I guess so, but on menu.
Teka lang. Let's see. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, yakisoba. There's so many food. Oh, binili ko pala yung may ano, may tiny tan kombucha. Anyways, someone gave me a mini carrot. Oh my god, that was so good. Hello. Good. Oh my god, there's a lot of cheese. I tried this one. This one is really good.
I'll take February next year. I'll put one that's ready.
Sana naman yung asawa ko?
Bubble tea.
Sorry. Ha?
Nakapag-register ka na.
Oo. Di ba kaya nga kami nasa harapan kanina?
Hindi sa kotse.
Oo. So ito, masterclass kasi yan. May bayan. Yeah, that's what I thought. We're just gonna go to those bars.
Yeah, I mean,
Chocolate. Chocolate.
ang ganun natin.
And I got the soda. It's a lot of people. Ang daming tao, guys. Saan? Eat my cake. Eat my love. What? What are you laughing for? Eat my cake. Saan nga ako rumandal? Saan yun?
Oh, yeah.
Grabe, sobrang daming tao. Like, it's jam-packed here. I don't know what is. Cheese in here. Another, what do you call? Like, toffee. Tiramisu. Where's my husband? Buwan napad ko sa angulo na to, but I don't have any choice. Ah. Aga. One last, and it's raining so bad, but not so bad, but it's raining. Anyways, yeah, back to the start. I think we should eat by now. So far, every year naman kasi maraming tao dito. And let's eat.
Hindi ka pag-usog.
Ano siya? Nahanap ko yung pasta. Yung pasta ba? I think it's in the center. Tapos na! We're done! And we have a lot of goods. So busog!
It's
Is
worth
it
it.
good?
Ayoko na nga si Daddy, grabe. Lahat.
We eat a lot of cheese.
Nagustuhan si Daddy, ano, yung
So it's both the shine muscat and strawberry flavor. Ito, freebie siya. So it's like a mystery keychain. I don't know who. Ito, Marcel. I love Marcel pancake. And then this one. It's a takoyaki. And then tuna me. Tuna me is good. And my husband love this one. Itong drinks, 3 for 5. It has vitamin C. And then this one is Marcel's crepe. And then my mom's haul. So Wagyu, shank. This one is pork leg roast for my dad's birthday. Roti for the butter chicken. Nuts. Apple crisp. No, apple chips. And then this one, honey infusion. And this bites is, she told me, basta Filipino daw yan. So yeah, that's all we have. Last year we have a lot. But since we already had our grocery, kaya onti na lang. Onti lang yung ano namin. Anyways,
Isa naman ang binili ni Nono.
so ito na yung mystery keychain. I don't know who. Then, who is it? It's RM! And then, oops. Huh? Jin! Oh, Namjin! Namjin! And then this one I bought.